Good morning, YouTube. This is Mark Aquatics. Welcome to my channel. Today, let me give you an update for my fry blue polar convex parrotfish. As you can see, their color is showing up already, and they're getting bigger and bigger every week. Also, on my other side of the aquarium, as you can see, there is no more blood parrot on my 55-gallon tank. The only ones left here is the platinum parrotfish and the blue polar and the pleco, and the corridors also. So I just transferred them today. Sooner I will give you an update also how I transfer my fish today, because I'm gonna transfer all of them to my 125-gallon. Let me show you where's my my blood parrot. Here we go. As you can see, they're very shy for now because I just transferred them to this tank here. My black convict is here, and my green terror also is here. So there's two. And yesterday I bought two blood parrot also. They're somewhere around on this tank. They're shy for now, but once they get used to this tank, I will show you the two new blood parrot. Actually, one is here underneath, is right there. The other one, I can't tell for now, but they're here somewhere. There's two, and the other one is right over down there. There's three, and I can't find the other one. Oh well, guys, I can't really see the other one. I know he's hiding somewhere, but this is just my update for you guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or comments, please leave a comments below. Thank you for watching. This is Mark Aquatics, and have a nice day.